Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zach bringing you guys another trade recap. It is currently July 7th. We took two trades today. Very weird today. On one account, we made $75 because I TP'd early and I secured a payout on this account of $850. So I TP'd as soon as we took out these lows here. And on the other accounts, I was TPing at these lows here, which we literally edged by a tick, as you guys could see, and we came back up. Stopped us out at break even. So these accounts were break even at the time, and I took one more trade that took a loss right here. You guys could see I took off this inversion fair value gap here, got in right here, targeting these lows right here, and it just stopped us out at break even. But now we are running, probably going to run through all these lows. Unfortunate loss on these accounts, but we're down 200 on each account. On these two accounts, and then this account we are at a payout. So tonight I can actually request a $850 payout. As you guys can see, this account's at 5,970, and that puts us, let's go on to my Apex. And that is above 8 more days. So right here, 1, you need 5 days, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need 5 days of $50 plus, which I have 6, and 8 days minimum. So we should be able to request an $850 payout tonight, which is very freaking nice. Feels good to finally be able to request a payout. Hopefully they approve it, because I know my last payout that I requested, they denied for 530. So I followed all the rules and I managed risk very well. So they should approve it, but you never know with Apex. They definitely could deny it. But this trade, this first trade was a very nice trade, and it just edged me by literally a tick on the other two accounts, and it was so close to TP. But let's get into the trade recap. This first trade, we are overall bearish on the day. We're bullish on the day, but coming into market open, we were just bearish on the 5 minute. As you guys can see, all morning we were just selling off. So market open, we came up, we swept out all these highs. So after that, I wanted to see some sell side get taken. We got a 3 minute inversion fair value gap here. I did not enter directly off the 3 minute inversion. That would have been a better entry as soon as we got the close right here with stops above here. Still never would have hit. It still would have been a break even trade either way, because we literally edged this TP by a tick, literally a tick right here, as you guys can see. 1 point, crazy. But we entered off the second inversion, this 1 minute inversion. So there was literally nothing holding us back from at least coming to these lows and these lows. So as soon as we took out these lows here, I went break even at the second lows for some reason, not the first ones. I just had more confidence in the second ones to be taken. I really thought we were going to take these, but ES did take them, and we put in a little SMT, so I did not expect that to happen. So that was unfortunate that we did not run through TP on the other two accounts, because I wouldn't have taken the second trade if that was the scenario. But just basically a sweep. 3 minute inversions, playing off market structure, another inversion here, very nice volume. This is also directly at 10 a.m. as you can see at the bottom, 10 a.m. So I expected this just boom, deliver right to TP1, edged it by a tick. On this account, you can see I entered here and I closed only one portion at these lows here, and then the rest got stopped out at break even. So this one is up $75. And then on the other accounts I'll show you right now, we entered same position, but both positions got stopped out at break even. After that, I did still want to see these lows get taken, because we literally edged it by a tick. So I waited a little bit. We got one more sweep. This is also a 3 minute fair value gap that we were respecting. Even though it's a very tiny 3 minute, we were still respecting a 3 minute fair value gap. We swept out all of these highs right here. After that, I definitely wanted to see downside. We were respecting this 1 minute fair value gap very heavily. So as soon as we got a break below, I really wanted to see lower. That's also a change of state delivery, where a market structure shift from right here. Break of structure. So this gave me enough confirmation to enter shorts. I did get a terrible fill on here. I got filled all the way down here. I could have waited until we come up a little and then entered, but I was hesitant on it, so I entered as soon as we started selling off a little bit. TP1 was here, and TP2 was these lows all the way down here, but we did not run through anything. I was very confident, literally right here, that we were going to at least come to here, but we did not, and we fully reversed, got stopped out at these highs here. As soon as we got this down close candle here, I wanted to sell my position early, but I did not. I just trusted it because I thought we were going to form some equal highs right here to eventually come back later, but that did not happen. We got stopped out for a $200 loss on 2 accounts. So these accounts are now back at pretty much break even, only up $25 on these accounts. But I'm still happy with these trades overall, because I'm able to take a payout tonight, which is always nice. And a loss is bound to happen. Our 4-day winning streak is over. We took a loss today, so it's all good. We're going to eventually run through all these lows, but I did not expect us to edge this low to start with and then almost take this low again, because like, what is holding us back? The thing that held us back was ES created a SMT here, but I did not want to worry about a 1-minute SMT, because a lot of the time 1-minute SMTs don't hold, but in this case today it did hold, and we just bought back up. But unfortunate loss, but like I said before, we are able to secure a $850 payout tonight. I'm not waiting until max payout. I'm just going to take this payout. That will set me back to 2,000, like 100. So I'll have 2,000 drawdown to work with, which is still a lot. So these accounts will be pretty much the same. And then with drawdown wise, and yeah, so these were the trades today. Unfortunate loss, but at least we took profits on this one account, because if we did not take profits on this one account, we would have been stopped at a break even. It would have just been a break even trade, and then I probably would have taken this because I like this setup as well to at least run to these lows. I would have taken this on all 3 accounts, and we would have been down 600 on the day, but we only ended the day total down $300. So I would consider today a good day. Price action honestly wasn't the best, but we managed our trades very well. And once again, we're at a payout. So that's all that really matters. Today we had no news. Tomorrow we have no news tomorrow. And then Wednesday we have FOMC. So I'm just going to be very smart. I might buy a couple more evals to trade this week with FOMC and just try to stay away from these fundeds for a little to conserve them. But yeah, that's going to be it for this trade recap. Payout tonight, baby. Going to be requesting $850, which always feels good to take a damn payout, especially after my last payout got denied. I really hope this one does not get denied, but you never know with Apex. It definitely could get denied. Even though I followed every single rule to the T, did not break any risk management. The reason this one got denied was because one day I went on tilt and I upsized way too much and went to literally 60 micros. But we've been following our rules very, very good recently, and I'm very happy with my performance recently, so that's always good. But without further ado, make sure y'all like and subscribe, join the community down below, and also use code ZAC for 80% off all accounts. Apex is running their discount code for, oh, wrong website I think. Yep. Apex funding. I think it's 2 more days that they have this discount code on. Damn, wrong website again. I'm trying to go on the actual brow. It's weird because they have their dashboard, and then they have, it's this one. As you can see right here, they're running their discount code for 1 more day and 14 hours. So go cop up accounts like right now. We're also going to miss out on this 80%, even though they run 80% all the time. You don't want to miss this 80%, but overall, a good day, and we'll get back after tomorrow, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.